This video will show how a shrink wrap machine works. What are the use of some of the buttons? And a step-by-step on how to operate the machine. Unlock the rollers and remove shrink wrap. Push shrink wrap upward against the tension spring and tilt, then pull down. Peel off shrink wrap and put it in the shrink wrap holder. Full shrink wrap, put it in the roller, then lock it. Full shrink wrap, insert at the bottom and tie it so that it will not be removed when the machine starts to wrap. Push start button to start shrink wrap machine wrapping. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Have a good one.